Hey folks, you want to hear what AVAS sounds like? That's the mandated acoustic vehicle sound for pedestrians. Here, come have a listen.
I want to demonstrate in this short uphill run we have is the performance, the acceleration capability of the Lightning Pro. So I'm just going to hit it. I'm not going to go full throttle, but I'm going to give you a taste of that. So here we go.
Let's do it. Whoa. Yeah. Woo. Okay.
Okay.
I felt that. Pretty good.
A little bit of fun. So Chris, I want to demonstrate the one pedal drive as we go down this little downhill grade. You'll just feel how the vehicle is held up by the regenerative braking.
And you're not even using that brake pedal.
My foot's off the pedal.
Wow. That's pretty much one-touch driving, it feels like to me.
Yeah.
One pedal.
I'm on the accelerator and now I'm off again. And we just slow right down.
Wow. Got it. Is this in the heavy regen right now?
It is right now.